Da vuelta a la derecha.
Te digo, I'll open y ponlo aquí. Gracias.
You're welcome. That's what I'm here for. Hello, we're back.
Hi.
Beautiful Annette is back.
Yes.
It's been a long time. When was our last vlog that I actually uploaded? Porque we always do one and I never do it.
We never finish it.
We're going to San Diego today. One of our adventures. It's been a long time since we had like an adventure kind of like this. It's because we're old now. We have responsibilities.
Yeah, we have to pay rent.
And we can't go out that much. But let's go. Drive on that drive.
Yes. It's in the leg.
Hi guys. So we have made it to San Diego and we're at an Airbnb place. And it's like what do you call it? Like apartments?
It's like an apartment, yeah.
So we thought we'd show you because we already walked in. It's really nice. And we thought we'd show you how it looks like here. So as we walk in from the parking, this is the backyard. And they have like it's like a common place. There's like a barbecue, sitting space to lay down. It's really nice. And then our place is down here. So let's go in the room. Laundry. Do you think there's laundry?
Yeah.
We can wash our clothes. Okay, so this is our place. And then we walk in. This self check-in. So we walk in. And this is the living room. It's really nice, huh?
Yeah.
So it has a view from the back outside. It's kind of dark. Oh no, they have like chairs right here. So like this is the house. I guess this is like a common area so we can like hang out here if you want to with the other guests. But there's a kitchen. It's really clean. Welcome. Hola. Bienvenido. Home sweet home. And then a mini table. And it's really, it smells really nice in here. And they left also this note. This is, we can have these snacks because they're not home. And they have a Keurig. Well, we'll get to that. Okay, so there's a net. We're hungry, so we're in. This is a hallway. And there's a bathroom. But there's 2 other rooms. B and C. And ours is A. So we open the door. So this is an overview of the room. Fan. Okay, so here it's like fan, side table. This is our bed, and they give us like towels and soap and like this coffee to use a Keurig. We can use coffee in the morning. And then this, we have a walk-in closet. We already dumped our stuff in there. We have a TV. Yeah. Not all the places the Airbnb viene con TV.
Really?
Yeah. And the good thing about this is why I love this place also. We have our own bathroom. So the toilet is over there. The toilet. This is a sink. Hey.
Hi guys.
It's really, really clean. Bathroom, the toilet, shower soap. So yeah, we're on a girls' day weekend, and we need to get ready so we can get out and eat.
We're gonna go get
and party. Bunch, 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 bunch. Okay, see you guys later. Bye, 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 bye. Yes. Hello.
Hi guys.
We're going to dinner. We're going to the gas lamp downtown and we're going to dinner.
Yes, we are.
We're ready.
Hungry.
We're waiting for Uber. It's coming.
Está llegando.
It's dark.
Oye, te iba a decir, no. que tomarnos una juntas.
Good morning, guys. It's like 9:30. We just woke up, took a shower. We're tired.
Yes.
We partied last night. Party. But right now we're gonna make some coffee. We got these free Keurig coffee from Starbucks. And they have this. We have these cute ass mugs. I'm Aries. Which one are you?
Cancer.
Ooh. Now we're gonna try and figure out how to use the machine. I've never used one before. Do they have milk? I mean, do they have cream? Oh, sí tiene. Okay, let's try to figure it out.
This is so cute. ¿Ya salió o no salió?
Forgot about the camera. Oh, coffee. No quiero. Voy a ganar más hielo.
¿En quién?
No guilt. That was just ice. Nobody's gonna die.
María tiene la relación con Rebeca Uribe, que es muerta en casa de María, luego llamaron mujer. El gobierno alemanista sobre todo.
See, I told you it smells like. See what I
Ya. ¿Cómo le pago?
The red button.
mujer más bella del mundo sostuvo.
Breakfast. Not a picture.
Oh, is that a picture? Ay, Ale. Déjame pruebo.
Starbucks, our addiction. Going home. It's so pretty here. Okay, back to the song.